1. Reduced risk of colon cancer. Dates help the proper passage of food in the digestive system, intestines and metabolism, and purify the gut from any harmful bacteria. It increases the growth of good bacteria that promote colon health, that prevents the growth of colon cancer cells, thus reducing the risk of infection. 2. It gives you amazing energy that lasts. Dates contain natural sugars, glucose, fructose and sucrose in a good proportion, in addition to fiber, potassium, magnesium, vitamins and antioxidants that, when eaten, give you a rapid flow of energy, thus making you accomplish your daily tasks with vigor and vitality. 3. It improves the health of the digestive system. When you eat dates, you will get 12 grams of fiber, which is 48% of the recommended daily intake for maintaining a healthy digestive system. The fiber also prevents constipation and promotes bowel movement. From this point on, a previous study published in the British Journal of Nutrition showed that people who ate 7 dates per day for 21 days showed improvement in reduced constipation and an increase in bowel movements compared to when they did not eat dates. 4. You can be smarter. Dates contain vitamin B6, which enhances brain performance by helping the body produce serotonin, which improves mood, and norepinephrine helps the body deal with stress and increases its tolerance. It is reported that there is research that has proven that low levels of vitamin B6 cause depression. 5. Hemorrhoids treatment. Hemorrhoids are protruding, swollen veins in the anus, and in the lower part of the rectum. They form as a result of exertion during bowel work or as a result of severe pressure on these veins. This is often caused by a common cause, which is constipation. Many doctors recommend eating a diet rich in fiber, and this includes dates to help relieve constipation and hemorrhoids.